Today you're gonna learn how to make a cool cinematic text inside of After Effects. Let's jump right into it. Here we have our text on the screen, and by the way, you should listen to what the text is saying. But what you want to do first is you want to expand the text layer and then click on the animate button right here. Click on blur, then press the add button, property, and then click on opacity. Click on the add button again, property, and then press scale this time. Now set the scale value to 150, the blur to 100, and the opacity to 0%. Move the time indicator to the starting point of your text and expand the range selector 1. Set the value of the offset setting to -100 and click on the stopwatch to make a keyframe. And now move about 2 seconds forward and change the offset value to 100. Next, expand the advanced section and set the shape to ramp up. Also set the ease low to 50% and make sure the randomize order is set to on. Finally, before you go, scroll up, then press the add button, property, this time select tracking. Move the time indicator once again to the beginning frame of your layer and create a keyframe for tracking amount. Leave the value at 0 for this keyframe, but move about 3 seconds forward or 4 seconds forward on the timeline and change the value to 10. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. As you can see, if I was you, I would listen very carefully to what this text is saying now. If you want to learn more about After Effects, feel free to watch this next tutorial.